Hey guys, welcome to December LeetCoding Challenge Day 4. So today's problem in LeetCode is called the kth factor of n. You'll be given two integers n and k. You have to find the kth factor of n if the factors are sorted in ascending order. We have to return -1 if n has less than k factors. This is a very simple problem. If you want to pause the video right now and try it out, please go for it. First of all, let's try to understand how to find the factors of any number. A factor of any integer n is defined as an integer I if n mod I equals 0. If we try to make factors for something like n equals 12, we get this. In this, 1 is the first factor, 2 is the second, 3 is third, 4 is fourth, 6 is fifth, and 12 is the sixth factor. For this problem, we need to print the kth factor and we'll be given n and k. So we'll probably need to iterate over all the numbers from 1 to n and check if it is a factor. If it is, then we check if it is a kth factor. We can return the position right away if we find the kth factor. If we complete this iteration and still can't find the kth factor, then we need to return -1. It's pretty straightforward, but it's always best to have a look at the constraints before we start implementation. Here the constraints are saying that n and k are between 1 and 1000. 1000 is fine, so we can go ahead with implementing our algorithm for n iterations. First of all, let's define a variable f. This will keep track of the number of factors we have already seen, so it will start at 0. Let's write a loop going from 1 to n. Now, let's check if n mod I equals 0, which means that the current number I is a factor of n. If it is true, we need to increment f. Now we need to check if f equals k, which means that we are in the kth factor. If it is, then we return I, which is our kth factor. If we go through n iterations without getting into this condition, this means we don't have a kth factor for n, and we need to return -1. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. See you soon.